Keep your eyes closed tight. All right, Lila.
Hi guys, today I'm opening my big box from Target. Let's see what's inside. I always wanted one of these. Wait, is this a controller?
What is it?
Confused. Oh and gosh! Look on the back. Tell me what it says.
It says it's a LOL surprise RC wheel, fully functioning radio controlled car, and it fits LOL surprise dolls, which means, Lila, all your dolls have a new car. It's got its own exclusive doll.
And its own accessories.
There she is. She's got long legs, it seems like. Like a hot roddy looking car.
That's why
The
there's a
exhaust
big
on the side.
action of them.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see the steering wheel. Some camouflage, some gold.
I can open all these blind bags.
I hope so.
It's her little hat. I'm going to put it on her right now.
It's called a visor.
Visor. That's her visor, guys.
Okay.
Can't wait to. Oh, I knew it was her little water bottle coffee.
It's got racing themed stuff here. What is this? What is this one?
What the heck?
Is that a stand for her?
I have no idea what this is. Toothbrush. I always say the toothbrush. I don't. Something in this one. Yep. Oh, it's a little French fry bag.
That's her food. Oh, French fries.
Oh, and gosh.
What is it? Is it her
It's a
belt?
little bag.
What is it, like a fanny pack? Here,
Yeah.
hold it up to me. Let me see.
Like a little fanny bag. It's a little,
This might be a belt. Okay, stop moving it. There we go.
fanny bag.
All right, you see the stickers? Show me those stickers. What are those for?
For car.
Those are for the car. Oh, one more. What is that?
So
Oh my!
that's
Show me those. They got flames on them.
Yeah,
That's
flames.
cool.
Last one. It's a brush.
It's a brush.
All right, I'm going to get her out. I'm going to clap. 3, 2, 1, count. Here she is. I can't believe that. I just clapped my hands and she was here. You see, she got longer shoes and she got short shoes and she got short feet.
There you go. Is she in?
Yeah.
What other accessories have we got? Well, she got more clothes? I didn't see these.
Oh, no, that's just her jacket.
Oh, she got a jacket. Put her sunglasses on.
Yeah.
Show me her. Nice. She's ready to ride, girl. All right, so the steering wheel has got a button to go forward. Here, show me the steering wheel. It's got a button to go forward, a button to go backwards, and if you turn the wheel, it turns the car wheels. Holy crazies. There it goes. Ooh. All right, let's go take this down on the floor, okay? Turn the wheel. Whoa, whoa. That goes pretty good. Well, watch out, dogs. Turn it. Turn it. Whoa. 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 Keep going. Turn it to the right. Turn it to the right. What do you think, girl?
Cool.
So this will fit all your LOLs and they can drive. Whoa. Whoa. You gotta make sure you turn the wheel, okay? Don't just turn your hands. Back it up. There you go. There it goes.
Thanks for watching. watching my video. Hope you subscribe. I'm going to keep driving my car. Love you. Bye.